Bună, eu sunt Iani și astăzi vrem să facem o, cum se zice, știți să vă jucați Geometry Dash? Astăzi o să ne jucăm Ton 618. Stați un pic. Acum începem. Oh. Nu știu. Ha? Scuzați-mă, fraților, am dat la ceva greșit. Stați. Iată, acum începem. Ah! Stai, ce? Stai. Stați, mă, frate. Am dat iar greșit. Acum începem. Bun, stați un pic. Acum vreau să creez ceva. Oh.
I don't care about head shaking horizontally. I really don't.
Stați un pic.
Jucării. Scutece. Tot ce contează. O casă plină de viață are nevoie de toate. Minus 50 de lei la prima comandă în aplicația EMAG. Descarcă aplicația EMAG.
2. Take it for the sub. Come on. Geometrical University, boys. Guys, now you can hear me. Give me this victory, bro. 79%! Come on, chat. Move up. Come on. Here we go! Come on, somebody! Oh! No, it's not. No, it's not deadlock. No, it's not. No, it's
You
not.
can you friend me? My name is Golden Face.
I'm not friending you. 84 freaking percent, boys. Come on, please. 3, 2, 1. shaking, bro. Holy crap, dude. Oh! Stop! I'm gonna slide you out. Bro's nervous for Dash. Who is the streamer? Alright. Wake up. Oh, shoot. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Cross for your products.
Prepare for what's to come. A long way is coming to an end. This will be good, but I'm sure I can tell you how it will be better. Get ready for the energy to get to now. Get ready to enjoy something right now. Get ready to
This shit part scares me. I'm scared. Holy crap.
Woman in motorized wheelchair facing right emoji. 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 Woman in motorized.
It's over.
Nu știu să fac, dar nu. Nu mai jucăm asta de asta.
I give you money. Hit that, Dad. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, we're gonna do one. Hold on. Shit. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I didn't sound. Chat. I want to say thank you guys all for
You are Rob Top W.
watching me beat that. That was a journey. That was a 3-string journey, but it sucked that down to 92. But those moments built us up to eventually beat it, bro. I appreciate all of y'all so much being here, bro. That was insane. I can't believe we beat it, but oh my gosh, I'm so tired right now. But we freaking did it. We freaking did it, Jack. That was freaking awesome, bro. We did it. Let's freaking go. Boys, y'all were all here in the stream. Appreciate y'all so much. I think TTS broke or something, but thank you guys. We're gonna keep streaming. So, this level is called Genie Randomizer by Jazer, okay? He made a level where every 5 seconds, the level completely changes. So we're gonna see if we can beat this level and see what we can do. So I already played it on stream and I got pretty far, but the thing is there's different modes. So y'all gotta decide how to do we do hard mode. It says removes easy So hard mode on. Dude, this one, oh, chat. Random paths. If you guys don't know, for example, theory of everything, you have to like top and bottom, it'll switch it without you knowing. Do we do random paths? How am I supposed to be ready for that? Okay, you know what? I'll do it because we're gonna start at the hardest difficulty. I'm gonna be a stupid. Random speed. Wait, hold up. We'll change the speed every 5 seconds. It changes the speed every 5 seconds? Oh, God. Random speed is absolutely cooked. This is bad. Are we doing this? We are it. So I said,
Da, am făcut toate astea. Sper că v-am lăsat. Pa!